Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn on your Windows 11 PC or in your laptops how to paste plain text quickly and easily. In this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys you need to have one application, Microsoft PowerTie. If you don't have this application, so this application you can easily download from the Microsoft store. So I have already downloaded and installed this application on my PC. After download and install, just open this application like this, and here in the left panel you can get the option paste as plain text. As you can see, just click and open it. First you need to enable this option. Okay, now when you need to paste the plain text without formatting, without links, so you can use this shortcut key. If you want to edit this shortcut key, you can also edit from here. Okay, so I don't want to edit this shortcut key. Okay, now you can close this PowerTie app from your PC like this. Now for example, so I have some text. As you can see, first I will copy this text simply, and now when you paste it normally, it will paste with text formatting, links, everything. As you can see guys, when you use that shortcut key to paste as a plain text, it will paste only the plain text without any formatting, without any link. Now I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, without text formatting and without links, the text was pasted as a plain text, as you can see guys. So this is the very nice and very useful option method to paste any text as a plain. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.